everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wasn't expecting to do a second video this afternoon, but Ram sent me over a press release earlier this afternoon, and I posted it. You might have seen it on Mopar Insiders, that there was a theft done at Roadkill Nights. Now, if you've been following me for a while here, you've probably seen a few months ago, I was at Auburn Hills, and Tim Kiniskis was talking to the media about kind of like a behind-the-scenes thing of what's going to happen to the Ram brand, certain things that were going to go forward, you know, the 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, some of the new trucks coming out and stuff like that. But one of the things he loves is marketing. And one of the things he was talking about was this bucking Hemi. And what the bucking Hemi is basically it's one of those bull riding kind of outfits, but it's dressed up to look like the symbol of protest, a symbol that they're putting on all the Hemi trucks. It's kind of a gimmick to get people more excited about the Hemi coming back and whatnot. But they were going to showcase it at different NASCAR races. They were going to show it at different events, and they have been. It made its debut at MIS when they made the announcement that the Ram 1500 was going to make its NASCAR debut in Daytona. And it's been at a few different events, but it was at Roadkill Nights this past week. Now, what makes it interesting about that is when they were doing the teardown on Saturday night, it was basically in a trailer or whatever, and it got stolen. So right now, Ram is actually putting a huge marketing campaign to find out where this thing is. And they've actually got the police, the Pontiac police involved, and I think the Oakland County Sheriff or whatever. But anyways, it was stolen about 9:45 at night. And again, no one knows where it went. So Tim Kiniskis actually had a quote that was pretty interesting. I posted it on Mopar Insiders. He said that this is bullshit. Our bucking Hemi was taken on Saturday night. The search is officially on, and we won't stop searching until we get him back. So you can see, if you go on Mopar Insiders, they put this up. This is basically you can contact, if you know anything about it, you can contact directly Ram Trucks, or I put a link down there for the Pontiac Police Department. But you can kind of see how this thing looks. And it again, the whole gimmick was, if you go to one of these events, basically if it's there, you can get in line, and you can ride it for 15 seconds. Now, the really interesting thing is again, I didn't get to ride it, but Tim kind of gave us a whole description of what the thing was going to be. So basically, you ride it to red line, which is 15 seconds. And this thing's pretty wicked because it can actually spin 45 spins in a circle in less than a minute. So it can whip you off pretty good.
And the way we're going to do it is unlike anyone else. The reason that we've been out of NASCAR for 12 years is a very tough ROI. It is a very tough business decision to make. But when we say we're back, when we say nothing stops Ram, when we bring the Hemi back, when we bring some of the other stuff that we haven't shown you, those car covers, it makes perfect sense to be back in the space and back up what we're saying. But again, we're going to do it different than everybody else. You've been there. The infield, all the manufacturers, it's all the same. Cars look the same, activation looks the same, not with us. When you go to MIS and future races after that, you're going to see a completely different tone. You're going to see an activation that is not a pop-up tent, khaki pants, and a product brochure. You're going to see a lounge. You're going to see music. You're going to see drinks. You're going to see people having fun. And you're also going to see our symbol of protest looks exactly like a mechanical bull, doesn't it? So you're going to get a chance to ride the Hemi. You're going to come infield, you're going to sign the release, ride the Hemi, but not stay out for 8 seconds. If you can stay on the red line, you're going to get the Hemi badge of honor. You're going to get a t-shirt that no one can buy. You got to earn it by staying on the red line. And trust me, this isn't just a stunt. This isn't the first thing. This is an indication of how we're coming back to NASCAR, how we're going to do it our way, how we're going to shake up the sport and really make our presence known.
It says, I rode the Hemi and it was bucking awesome. And we actually got one of these shirts at the event before they even unveiled this thing, so that was kind of cool. So it's in my collection. But nonetheless, they are looking for this thing. So if you went to Roadkill Nights, if you know anything about it, make sure to reach out to Ram and tell them, what's going on. But just a little video I thought was kind of different. Again, Ram reached out to a bunch of us in the media to kind of post it. So anyways, if you know anything, let the police know. There's a link at moparinsiders.com. I'll post it down below. And or you can reach out to the Ram Truck Instagram page. So until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye.